Welcome to the Maths Period YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at place value, that is the chapter 2 of grade 6 mathematics. Okay, what are the numbers that we usually use? Or else if I ask from you how many numbers that we use, or how many digits that we use. So we use numbers from 0 to 9. There are 10 digits. And we make every number from these 10 digits. So these numbers or this number system is called as Hindu-Arabic number system, or these are called as Hindu-Arabic numbers. Okay, now we need to know for a given number how many digits that the given number includes and how many positions that the given number includes. Okay, look at this number. This is number 3. So how many digits? As you see, there is only one digit. How many positions? There is only one position. One digit, one position. Now, look at the number, that is 53. So how many digits now? We have 2 digits. And how many positions? We have 2 positions. Now look at this number. How many digits? We have 3 digits and 3 positions. Okay, now you know when a number is given to you, you know to identify how many digits that number includes and how many positions that number includes. Okay, for a given particular number, we need to identify the position names or the place names. That means I am giving you this number to you, 853. So you know that this number includes 3 digits and 3 positions. So what are the 3 positions? There are 3 positions, 853. So what is the first position? What is the second position? And what is the third position? We usually start from rightmost number or the rightmost digit of the number. So what is the rightmost digit of the number? The 3. Number 3 is the rightmost number. So this is the first position or the first place. So that name is ones position. The second position is 5, that is tens position. The third position is 8, that is hundreds position. Okay, now let's take another 3 numbers. Now the 4 is represented in which positions? What is the name of the position of 4? It is 1000th position. Now number 7, digit 7. It is the name of the position is 10,000th position. Look at the digit 9. It is 100,000th position. Let's take, so as I told you, we start from the rightmost number, rightmost digit of the number. Okay, and look at we are going to take another 3 numbers. So what is the name of the position of 8? That is 1 millionth position or the 1 millionth place. So here this 4 is in 10 millionth position or the 10 millionth place. So this is in 100 millionth place or 100 millionth position. So let's take another one. So this is billions, 1 billionth position. Okay. Now if you look at from right to left, right to left, can you identify a pattern? This is ones position, tens position, hundreds position, and again 1000's position, 10,000, 100,000. Here look, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Again 1 billion. So you can see that 1, 10, 100 millions place. 1, 10, 100, 1000. These are for thousands. 1, 10, 100. These are for 1, 10, hundreds place. So we can categorize. We can categorize our number into different positions. Millions place. Millions position. 1, 10, 100, millions. 1000. This is for billions place. Okay. So I hope that you can understood this. And also I want to tell you that this you can, if you have to start from ones position and you have to multiply 1 from 10, then you get 10. Then again 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. Then again 100 multiplied by 10 is 1000. 1000 multiplied by 10 is 10,000. In similar way, this increases by 10 from right to left. Okay, let's start reading numbers. So you know that this is 3. And this 3 is in ones position or ones place. So that means there are 3 groups of ones. 3 groups of 1. What is the value then? If you have 3 groups of 1, every group has only 1. Then the value will be, okay, the total of all groups is equal to 3. Okay, let's take another. 3 groups of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. This is number 3. Now, let's take the number. We have two digits, 5 and 3. 5 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. Now, how do we read this? There are 5 groups of tens plus 3 groups of ones. There are 5 groups of tens. You have 5 groups and each group has 10. Then what is the value? What is the total of all groups have? It is 5 into 10. 5 groups of 10 means 50. And 3 groups of 1 means 3. Then 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. Yes. 5 group of 10s plus 3 group of 1s. 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 53. Okay, let's take another digit. So that digit is in hundreds place. Now, can you read this number? This is 8 into hundreds. What's the value? 800. 800. Now you know this, how to read this number. 5 into 10, that is 50. 3 into 1 equals 3. 853. 8 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. 853. Okay, now how do we read this number? I added one more digit to 1000's place. 4 into 1000. Now multiply 4 by 1000. What's the number you get? 4000. You get 4000. Then upper number will be 4853. Okay. Let's take another digit. Now how do we read? 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000 means 70,000. 7 multiplied by 10,000. 70,000. Here 4 into 1,000. Here we have 4,000. So what is the total? Here what is the total? 74,000. 74,000. 74,853. Let's take another digit. Now let's read this number. Here 9 into 100 thousands. That means 900,000. Here we have 70,000. Here we have 4,000. So what is the total of thousands? 974,000 and 853. Okay, let's read these numbers. 8 is in ones million. This 8 is in ones millions place. Here how do we read this number? 8 into 1 million. 8 million. 8 million 974,853. Okay, let's take another one. Another digit, that is 4, that is in the 10 millions place or the 10 millions position. Now we have here millions. Here 48,974,853. Okay, if we take another digit for 100 millions place. These are millions. These 3 for million. 748,974,853. Okay, this is billion. 9 into 1 billion, 9 billion. 9 billion, 748 million, 974,853. So that's the number. Okay, let's look at this example. So we are given 3 numbers, and from this number, let's take the first one. You are given 45 and you are given the digit 4. So the question asked is name of the position of the digit. So name of the positions. You know that when you are given this number, we start from the rightmost, that is first or the units place. First place, ones place, and then we have tens place. So the answer should be 4 is in tens place. The value represented by the digit 4 into 10. That is because this 4 is in tens place. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Look at this. 45. The digit 5 is in ones place. So 5 into 1. 5 into ones place. 5. 30. The digit 0. 0 is in ones place. 0 into 1. 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. This 0 is in the ones place. Okay. Okay. Look at the exercise 2.1. Please do the exercise and you can check the answers with the exercise. I will tell you I will explain the first question. Complete the following table. Number, digit in the ones place, digit in the tens place, value represented by the digit in the ones place, value represented by the digit in the tens place. Okay, let's take the first one. 63 is the number, digit in the ones place. So what is the digit in the ones place? This 3. Digit in the tens place, that is 6. Value represented by the digit in the ones place. Ones place value, that is 3 into 1, 3. value represented by the digit in the tens place. That is 6 into 10. This is in the tens place. So 6 into 10. That is 60. So you can continue the first question of the exercise 2.1. I have given the answers. Once you are done, you can check the answers with this. Okay. Now, let's represent numbers using abacus. So, similar to the previous representation, in abacus also, we start from the right of the abacus. So, the last rod, this rod is represented by ones. Sorry. The next tens, next hundreds, next thousands, next 10,000s. Let's take a number. Number 3. Okay, this is number 3. How many ones we need to represent number 3? We need 3 ones. 2, 3. Okay. Let's take another digit. Then our number will be 53. This 5 is in tens place. This is 10. How many tens are needed to make 50? How many tens are needed to make 50? We need 5 tens. Here we need 5 tens. 5. Okay. Now our number is 853. So this is 853. How many hundreds are needed to make 800? 100 into 8. So here we need 8. Then 4853. How many thousands are needed to make 4000? We need 4. Then let's take this. We have 74,853. How many 10,000s are needed to make 70,000? 70,000. 7. So that is how we represent this number using abacus. Okay, now let's look at the exercise 2.2. So here we have the number. This is in, look at the number. The last one is in ones place. Then 0 is in tens place. 6 is in hundreds place. 9 is in thousands place. And this another 9. Next 9 is in 10,000 place. So this is 99,601. So 0, we are not reading this. So what is the value represented by 9, which is positions 4th from the right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the value? 9 into 10,000. 4th. We should start from 1, 2, 3, 4. This 9. So this 9 is thousands place. 9 into 1000. 9,000. What is the place value corresponding to the position of 0? Here ones place, tens place. 0 into 10. 0 into 10. Tens. Tens place. What is the value represented by 0? That is, value represented by 0 is 0 into 10, 0. What is the value represented by 9, which is position 5th from the right? This one. It is 90,000. That means this is in 10,000 place. 9 into 10,000 is equal to 90,000. Okay, now let's look at the next exercise. You are given a number and you are given a digit. Name of the position of the digit, value represented by this digit. I will do one for you. Here, look at the digit that is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is in hundreds place. So, position is hundreds place. Value is 9 into 100 means 900. Okay. So, you can continue doing this exercise and check the answers with this. Now, let's look at the third question. Here you need to write down all the numbers of 3 positions that can be written using each of the digits 4, 5, 8 exactly once. So you can make 458. That's a one number. So if we get that number, so we have to write down all numbers that we can make from these 3 numbers, and we need to find the place value corresponding to 8 and the value represented by 8. So let's create this number 458. Sorry. What is the position of digit 8? In this number 8 is in the ones position and the value is 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Okay, so you can continue this and check the answers. Here the last fourth question. Using each of the digits 2, 4, 5 and 9 exactly once, write down the largest possible number, the smallest possible number of 4 positions and the value represented by each digit in the number. So how do we write the largest possible number? To write the largest possible number, we have to start from the largest number. Then the next largest digit, that is 9. Then what is the next largest digit? That's 5. What is the next largest digit? That's 4. What is the last one? Then 2. So that's how the largest number we write. How do we find out the smallest possible number? First digit should be the smallest digit from the given numbers or from the given digits. Then 2, then 4, 5 and then 9. Okay, in that way we can find out the largest number and the smallest number. So we have to write number of 4 positions and the value of each digit. So here we wrote the largest number and for each digit the value of the position. So if we start from here, from the right to left, the 2 is in ones place. So the value is 2. 4 is in tens place. The value is 4 into 10, 40. 5 is in hundreds place. 5 into 100 equal 500. 9 is in thousands. 9 into 1000 is 9000. That's how we write the value corresponding to each digit. Okay, you can write this for the smallest number as well and you can check the answers.